Imagine after sacrificing for years, saving money to buy a landed property. 3 years later, when development has started coming in this location, someone showed up with government approved title, claiming that your land belongs to him. At that point, your receipts and your agreement meant nothing. This is exactly how many people have lost peace because they invested in real estate. In real estate, documentation secures ownership, not emotions. 5 powerful documents you must request if you are buying land from a real estate company. First is certificate of occupancy, popularly known as C of O. It is a land title that is given by the state government, which gives you the authority to occupy a property for a period of 99 years. Why is certificate of occupancy important and why does it matter? First, properties that come with C of O are usually higher in price. Second, you can use a property that has C of O to get a loan from a bank. Third, it shows that this property is free from government acquisition. Fourth, it protects you from future ownership disputes. Second, registered deed of assignment. This is a legal document that shows that the property has been transferred from the seller to the buyer. Why it matters? First, it is recognized in court as ownership evidence. Second, it shows that ownership has been transferred from the seller to the buyer. Third, registered survey plan. A registered survey plan is a document that shows the exact location of your property, the size, the boundary, and the coordinates. Why is registered survey important? First, it shows you the exact location, the size, and the boundary of your property. Second, it shows that this property is free from government acquisition. Third, it protects you from boundary disputes with your neighbors. Fourth is the allocation paper. This is an official document stating that you have been allocated in a particular estate. This paper contains your name, the location, the plot size of the property, and other important details. Why does it matter? First, it confirms your plot number that you have been allocated in a particular estate. Second, it is an evidence that the owner of the estate or the developer has assigned a particular plot to you. Allocation paper is an evidence of the plot you paid for, while your receipt is an evidence of payment. Fifth is payment receipt. This is an official evidence of a financial transaction between you and the company. Why does payment receipt matter? First, it serves as an evidence of payment. Second, it is used for processing title. Third, it also serves as an evidence if there is any dispute in the future. But note, receipt does not prove ownership. It only shows proof of payment. If you don't understand real estate document, ask questions. Don't rush because of promo ends tomorrow. Real estate document is your security. I remain your real estate consultant, the billionaire realtor. Send a DM for a free consultation.